If you want to open apps in the pop-up view on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. For example, we can open any app that you want to open in the pop-up view. Then you can open the recent or background apps, and you can tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the app preview. And then over here, you should be able to find open in pop-up view. And there we go. Now we can drag this window around. You can of course drag it all the way to the bottom over here to this close section in order to close the app. You can grab by a corner in order to resize the window. And here at the top we have this line which allows you to access a couple of additional options, like for example you can switch to the split screen view, you can reopen it in the full screen, you can also minimize it, and so on and so forth. Besides that, what you can also do is you can activate a gesture that allows you to open apps in pop-up view. So if you go to settings and scroll down over here, then you should be able to find advanced features. Then over here in advanced features, you want to go to multi-window, and then here we have swipe for pop-up view, which we can easily enable. There is also the top corner area slider, which allows you to adjust the range, because in the upper left and upper right corner we have these fields where we can start using the app in the pop-up view. So we need to simply grab by the upper left or upper right corner and then just slide to the middle, just like that, in order to open the selected app in the pop-up view, just like that. In addition to that, if you use edge panels or the sidebar, what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to open in the pop-up view, just like that, and then drag it to the middle of the screen over here. And this works as well. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.